check any scan. This car is China, so we'll select China. It is MG. Okay, we'll go for automatic detection, because if manual we'll select systems, but in automatic we'll select the whole, we'll scan the whole car. This car is 2022, so we have MJ5 2020 1.5, then this one newer. It is newer than 2020, so we'll go for new. It will give us the car details, 2022 MG5, and the chassis number. You can check on the car to confirm the chassis number is same. You press OK. Okay, we'll go to auto scan. We have 16 parameters it will scan. Yeah, there we have body control. We have 4 failures. We will wait for it to finish. Yeah, the scan is complete. So the only problem we have 4 failures. In this stage,